Hey guys, what's going on? Today we will create some interesting like this. In this tutorial, I am showing you demo by which you can create by your own by using this simple method. Okay, now let's get started. For my requirement, I have selected some images here. So first, as usual, we will create one new composition. Let's call it as a gallery. Now he will create one solid. Let's call it as a background, that is BG, and create one more new composition. This we call as a image holder. And now select and drop one image into our image holder. Let's resize the scale. And now go to for gallery and let's drag and drop the image holder into our timeline. Now duplicate this image holder layers as multiple you want. I am creating here up to 16 layers. Go to layer. In this we will select null object. Now select all this layer and convert it into 3D and parent link into null 1. Resize the scale. Hit yes and resize the scale. Let me do one thing. For this layer, add stroke for this so that it looks better. Go to image holder and select this rectangle tool, and in this select the fill color and double click on this rectangle tool, and now go to for stroke. Select the stroke color. Stroke we will keep it to 25 pixel and go to fill and select it none. Okay, now you can see here the stroke around our image. Now select all the layers and adjust it one by one like this. I am going to skip this part so you do not waste your time on this. Okay, now select this image holder and go to our project monitor. I am duplicating it for 16 times. Okay, now select this image holder layer and go to project monitor and double click on this and replace the image. Now replace this image holder 2 with image holder. Now select this image holder and go to image holder 3, double click on it and just replace the image as you did previously. Let me resize the scale. Now go to gallery composition and select image holder 3 and replace it with image holder. I am skipping this part so that you do not need to waste your time. Now select this null layer, go to layer and select camera. Now again go to layer and select null object layer and convert into 3D. Parent link the camera with null 2. Select this null 2 layer, hit P for the position and hold shift and hit R for rotation and give the keyframes at starting of the frame. Now go to end frame of the layer and give the keyframes and make some changes. Now select the layers randomly. And now we will move this layer away from our camera, for which we have to hit P and change the position. Let me bring this keyframes around 2 seconds. Now you can see the animation of our composition. Let me select the layers colors for our identification. To look better, just move the layer randomly according to your choice. Like this. Let me check the preview. Wow, it's looking perfect now. If you like my videos, make sure to subscribe and like the video and hit the bell notification for upcoming new videos. Thank you for watching and have a good day.